In this tutorial I would like to show you how to perfectly align your audio signals in Cubase. This works for every kind of audio, but especially well for vocal tracks. So let's listen to what we are working with here. So we got 3 vocal tracks, one is centered, one is completely panned to the right, and one is completely panned to the left. And basically the same melody and the same words are sung on each of these tracks, and it wouldn't really need audio alignment, but for the sake of this tutorial we're gonna do it anyway. So in order to align these 3 vocals even more perfectly, we have to search for the audio alignment panel, which can be found in the top bar here. If you cannot see it, make sure that the audio alignment is actually also activated here in the top right corner by clicking the setup toolbar. You need to make sure that this is activated. So let's open the panel and let's take a look at it. The way this works, you gotta assign a reference and a target. So the first thing would be to decide which one is going to be the reference and which ones are going to be the targets. Let's just say this top one here is the reference, and now we just gotta click it, select it, and click this little plus sign here to assign this as a reference. And now we do the same thing with the other vocal tracks, except that we are going to select this as a target. Unfortunately, we can only select 2 pairs of reference and target at one time. So we are going to repeat this process for the other one here. Yeah, let's just roll with these settings that are made here. Alignment precision 100% and click align audio. And let's repeat that process with the third track. So click it, assign it as a target, and again press align audio. Maybe you noticed that the waveforms have been pushed around a bit after I clicked this. And you can also see what happened if you double click into these audio files. You now see that a lot of audio warping has been done here automatically by Cubase in order to align these audios here to the reference. So I clicked into the targets, to both of them, and when I click into the reference, double click, you can see that nothing really happened here audio warp wise, because the reference doesn't get touched here. And now if we listen back to it, we can hear that the result is even cleaner than before. That's it with this tutorial. I hope you learned something. I hope you found this interesting. If so, please leave a like, leave a comment, and show me some love. Thank you and goodbye.